Hello, welcome to Eduspa Global. In today's video, we are going to be solving problems on linear inequality. First of all, we need to understand and know the meaning of linear inequality. A linear inequality is a mathematical statement that compares two linear expressions using inequality signs. These inequality signs include 1, we have the less than sign. 2, we have the greater than sign. Number 3, we have the less than or equal to sign. This less than or equal to. Then the number 4, or the fourth one, we have the greater than or equal to sign. This is greater than, or equal to. These are the basic 4 signs we use in linear inequality question. A linear inequality usually contains variables like x and y, contains variables like s and y. It contains numbers, and also the powers of the variable are only up to 1. For example, we have 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. So this is a typical example of linear inequality. If you look at this linear inequality, it has variables, it has numbers, and the highest power of the variable is 1. That is, x is raised to the power of 1. In solving questions that involve linear inequality, steps are almost the same as solving a linear equations. So let's look at the steps we must follow. Let's look at our steps. The first step is for us to simplify both sides. We simplify both sides. The second step is for us to move variables. We move the variables to one side. We move variables to one side. And the third step is for us to move the constant to one side. We move constant to one side or to the other side. And the fourth step is for us to divide or multiply to isolate the variables. We divide or multiply to isolate the variables. So these are the steps that we need to follow while solving questions on linear inequalities. Whenever we are given an inequality to solve, there is an important rule that we must follow or obey. So let's look at this important rule. Now, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality sign. So it's an important rule. For instance, if I have minus or negative 2x, let's say greater than 4. Remember, this is a negative sign. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides using the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. So I'm going to have negative 2x. We are going to divide by negative 2. So you are going to reverse the sign to less than. Okay, so you have divide by this. So at the end, our x will be less than negative 2. So this is what we mean whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality sign. Okay, so take note of that. At this point, we are going to solve some questions. So let's look at these 4 questions. Number 1, 2x plus 3 greater than 7. Number 2, we're going to look at y minus 5 less than or equal to 2y plus 1. Number 3, we're going to look at 3a minus 4 less than 8. Number 4, we're going to have 2x plus 5 less than 11. And number 5, we're going to have minus 3x plus 4 greater than or equal to 10. So in these 5 examples, I'm going to solve question 1, question 2, question 3, and question 5. So you're going to solve question 4 and you will leave the answer in the comment section. So let's go. I'm going to start with question number 1. We have 2x plus 3 greater than 7. So we are going to take 3 to the other side, or you can simply say subtract 3 from both sides. So I'm going to have 2x greater than 7 minus 3. Remember, when 3 crosses to this side, the sign will change from positive to negative. So we are going to have 2x greater than 4. At this point, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we are going to have 2x divided by 2 greater than 4 divided by 2. So our x will be greater than 2. Second question is y minus 5 less than or equal to 2y plus 1. So let's take negative 5 to the other side and also take 2y to the left hand side. So we're going to take the negative 5 to the right hand side and take positive 2y to the left hand side. So we're going to have y, this will cross to this side and this will cross to this side. So we're going to have y minus 2y less than or equal to 1 plus 5. Remember, when negative 5 crosses equality sign or crosses the inequality sign, it becomes positive 5. Okay, so we're going to have y minus 2y will give us negative y less than or equal to 6. So we're going to divide both sides using negative 1, okay, or divide both sides by the negative sign. So we're going to have negative y divided by y. Remember that the rule is that this inequality sign will change from less than to greater than or equal to 6 divided by negative, okay. So our y will be greater than or equal to negative 6. The third question is 3a minus 4 less than 8. So we're going to have 3a less than 8 plus 4. Remember that negative 4 will cross the inequality sign and it become positive 4. So we're going to have 3a less than 12. We divide both sides using the coefficient of a, which is 3. So we're going to have 3 with divide 3, a will be left, less than 3 to itself 1, 3 to 12, 4. So we're going to have a is less than 4. So question 5 says minus 3x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 10. So we're going to have minus 3x is greater than or equal to 10 minus 4, because 4 will cross equality sign and it will become negative 4. So we have minus 3x is greater than or equal to 6. We're going to divide both sides using the coefficient of x, which is negative 3. Remember that the sign will change. So we have minus 3x divided by minus 3. The sign will change to less than or equal to 6 divided by negative 3. Negative 3 cancel negative 3. X is left, less than or equal to minus 2, because 3 into itself 1, 3 to 6, 2. So our answer is x is less than or equal to negative 2. You are to solve question 4 and leave your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging videos.